So today, our group would like to present the commitment and providing services. Before I go further, I would like to introduce our team members. From the left is Ahmad Hussein and Ahmed Mohamed Farah, Hidayah, Ahmad Bengala, Zainal Bumi, and me and myself is Muhammad Hussein. So in commitment and providing service, there is two sub-topics, which is the safety at risk and equal opportunity. So I would like to present about the safety and risk. What is the safety and risk? Safety is the condition of being protected from or unlikely to cause danger, risk, or injury. It's a different with the risk. The risk is a probability or threat of damage, injury that may harm somebody and may avoid it through preemptive actions. What is safety in engineering? There is 5 subtopics, which are product safety, electrical safety, equipment safety, industrial hygiene, and ergonomics. Product safety and electrical safety is the safety through the customer, the user, after the product being produced, which is there must be a manual. For example, if you buy a TV, there must be a manual book for you to read. And the equipment safety and industrial hygiene is on the industry, is before the product being produced, which is among the workers that handling the machine. And the ergonomics means it's something that suitable to the environment or the conditions. There's 4 types of basic causes of risk. First is the management, environment, equipment, and human behavior. Based on the management, there is a system, which is a lack or no system and a procedure to the workers from the management. And for the procedure, it's a lack of supervision from the supervisor that only to the workers when they are doing their work. And environment is an environment when we are doing our work in the industry. There is 3 types: physical, chemical, and biological. The physical is the lighting and temperature. With less lighting, we cannot see our work, then there must be cause an accident. For the chemical, there are vapors and smoke from the machines, and the biological is the bacteria and reptiles. It depends on the industry or factory. For the equipment, it's a suitability and stability. It's a certain equipment is for the certain work, not one equipment for all work. And regarding ergonomics, also the same as the equipment suitability and stability. The accessibility also almost the same, the meaning. And the design will present out in the display for safety precautions for every workers. And for the human behavior, the omission and the commissions, and the deviation from the SOP. The SOP is standing for the standard operating procedure from ourselves, which is the lacking of authority, shortcut of doing work, and the remove back. The standard of deviation from the SOP is no safe procedure. It means the procedure are there, but the management didn't brief further to the workers regarding the procedure. And if the management give the briefing, but ourselves as a worker also sometimes we don't want to hear any lecture, right? And that's it. So the employee didn't know the procedure, and the employee did not follow the procedure. Procedure encourage risk taking, which is the procedure we know it is danger, but we have to take the risk sometimes in certain conditions. And employee change the procedure, which is they do change the procedure, but they didn't brief to the workers. They do among themselves. Next, I would like to pass my colleague.
Next, we go through with the reason for lack of attention that cause accident. The first one, technology encourage short attention span, which is TV remote and computer mouse. Next, increase job stress. Third, fast pace of work, little time to learn new tasks and do familiar one safely. positive side and negative side. For positive, we have 5. First, accident investigation, prevent repeat of accident, improve safety programs, improve procedure, and last one, improve equipment design. For indirect cost, negative. First one, equipment rental, cancel contract, last order, equipment or material damage, investigation in time, decrease production, light duty, new hire learning time, administrative time, community goodwill, public or customer perception, third party lawsuit.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. I will continue with about hazard analysis. Firstly, hazard analysis. Apa tu hazard? Hazard ni kalau dalam bahasa Melayunya hazard ni bahaya kan? Okay, bahaya pula. Bahaya yang macam mana? Okay, bahaya. Saya contohkan bahaya kat sini macam okay, hazard, lampu hazard untuk kereta kan. Lampu hazard ni dia berfungsi untuk bagi tahu bahaya. Contoh lampu hazard pun, lampu hazard, syarat nak guna lampu hazard dekat kereta. Kalau kita guna lampu hazard, syaratnya kereta tak boleh jalan kan. Lampu hazard ni boleh guna ketika contohnya kereta tu nak parking sebab ada kecemasan, nak parking sama ada tepi jalan ataupun tengah jalan. Maknanya menandakan yang kereta tu membahayakan kita. Saya contohkan apa tu hazard. Okey, kita buat hazard analysis ni. Hazard analysis ni kita buat untuk menilai risiko. Maknanya kita nak nilai risiko yang kita boleh hadapi bila berdepan dengan hazard ni. Okey, here hazard analysis will cover on uncover hazard overload in design. Uncover hazard overload in design dalam Melayunya uncover hazard overload in design. Hazard bahaya yang terdedah, yang terlepas pandang dalam design. Contohnya bahaya yang ada dekat mesin-mesin. So locate hazard develop in process. Locate hazard develop in process. Kita nak nilai bahaya yang ada dalam proses kerja kita. Yang ketiga ni, determine essential step of job, menentukan langkah-langkah yang kita boleh ambil untuk keselamatan semasa kita buat kerja. Yang keempat, identify hazard that result from the performance of the actual job. Okay. Next, untuk kita buat hazard analysis, kita ada 4 step. Firstly, kita identify hazard. What is hazard? Condition with the potential to cause personal injury, death and property damage. Okay, identify hazard, maknanya kita nak kenal pasti bahaya. Dekat sini nak kenal pasti bahaya, saya contohkan. Kalau kita turun kilang ataupun kat industri, macam itu kita pergi industri kan, dekat industri kita pergi iaitu bagi saya industri kilang kita pergi tu selamat lah, tak cukup bahaya lagi kan. Sebab saya pernah kerja dekat industri yang lagi bahaya. Contohnya ni kita nak identify hazard kan. Contohnya kalau masuk kilang, saya pernah kerja dekat kilang saya pernah kerja kilang yang buat contoh dashboard untuk kereta kan. Dashboard untuk kereta tu, nak buat dashboard tu guna injection molding machine lah. Injection molding machine dia pakai acuan. Maknanya acuan, contoh kita buat dashboard tu, acuan tekap je pada plastik yang cair. Sekarang ni mol tu, acuan tu, berat acuan tu boleh cecah sampai 10 tan, 11 tan. Sekarang ni okay, nak identify hazard kan, mol tu, nak pindahkan mol tu pada mesin kepada mesin, kita guna overhead crane. Overhead crane yang besar tu untuk angkat mol tu guna rantai. Sekarang ni kalau datang je kilang saya, boleh nampak hazard tu. Bahaya. Nampak bahaya. Dia lagi bahaya pada kilang yang kita pergi tu. Ni untuk identify hazard. So dia kalau tak link dengan kita. Okay, ni langkah. Ni step dalam identify hazard. Review record, talk to personnel, accident investigation, follow process flow, write a job analysis, use inspection checklist. Ni pun anda boleh baca sendiri bila nak test. Step kedua untuk hazard analysis, assess hazard. Bila kita dah identify hazard, sekarang ni kita nak menilai hazard. Maknanya kita masuk. Kalau terus sekarang pun lupa ni. Assess hazard. Kita dah identify hazard, kita nak nilai hazard. Okay. Severity, what will happen if encounter. Severity ni macam tahap keterukan hazard tu. What will happen if encountered, kalau tak dicegah. Death, serious injury, damage to property. Level of risk awareness, tahap kesedaran. Bukan tahap kesedaran, kesedaran terhadap risiko tu. Risiko ni contoh macam tadi hazard and risk. Hazard ni bahaya. Saya contohkan kat sini, hazard tu macam bahaya yang kita nampak, contohnya macam pisau tu bahaya. Tapi risk ni kalau hazard tu pisau tu bahaya kan. Risk ni risiko apabila kita nak gunakan pisau tu. Risiko tu terhadap kita bila kita nak guna pisau kan. Okay, risk. Level of risk awareness. Unaware, doesn't realize at risk. Ni empat jenis awareness lah. Unaware, post awareness, realize after risk after task completion. Lepas siapkan tugas, baru sedar ada hazard, ada risiko. Engage awareness, recognize risk while performing task and correct the situation. Maknanya tengah-tengah buat kerja baru sedar benda tu berisiko. Proactive awareness, yang ni pro foresee hazard and begin task only when safe to proceed. Maknanya bila nak start kerja, pastikan dulu benda tu berisiko. Kalau berisiko, tak buat kerja tu. Saya pun tak tahu sangat start dengan apa kaitan. Okay. Who is at risk? Bila kita dah identify hazard, kita dah nilai assess risk, step kedua. Yang ketiga ni, siapa yang berisiko. Contohnya kat sini workers, pekerja, kontraktor, janitorial ni okay, dia macam tukang cuci, security, maintenance, others, members of public, passers-by, neighbours. Lagi who is at risk, contoh visitors yang berisiko kena hazard tu. Invited visitors, invited uninvited customers, emergency service, delivery drivers, uninvited trespassers, burglars. Burglars ni perompak pun berisiko kena risk. Okay, step 3. Tadi step 1 untuk hazard analysis, identify hazard, assess risk. Step 3, make decision. Make decision bila kita dah dah nilai risiko tu kan. Sekarang kita nak buat keputusan untuk risiko tu. What can we do to reduce the risk? That's the benefit outweigh the risk. Dekat risiko tu lagi bagus daripada adakah risiko tu lagi membawa manfaat. Okay, contoh macam kes saya tadi, saya kerja kat industri tu. Decision saya dah nampak hazard semua kan. Decision saya berhenti lah kerja, saya sambung belajar kat sini. Step 4 untuk hazard analysis, implement control. Dah ada decision, sekarang ni implement, kita laksanakan lah. Contohnya kita nampak, contohnya kalau mesin tu bahaya, mungkin substitution, penggantian, engineering control ni kejap lagi kita akan sentuh lagi dalam hazard control ni. Lepas tu administrative control dan personal protective equipment. Sekian, terima kasih. Saya
Assalamualaikum, very morning. I would like to continue this presentation for hazard control. Hazard controls means that system used in industry to minimize or to eliminate exposure to hazard. So there are three steps. First, source, path, and receiver. So source is where the hazard came from. So this example is substitute less harmful substance. Means that we use spray for the mosquito is hazard because there is a chemical gas in there. So the alternative way is use the fumakila or anything else. The current. The next path means that where is the hazard is go. So the last step is receiver. Receiver is we go to the worker. So the worker has to use gloves, splash worker, and so on. Okay, the next is administrative engineering. Administrative engineering is there is three procedure to the administrative engineering. First, monitor safe practice and environment. Second is identify and correct new hazard. Third is safety committee. Next is protective equipment and clothing. Is that the equipment or clothing that we should wear if we the next slide is engineering, hazard elimination, add-on safety design, user instruction, ventilation, design layout, safety device. Hazard elimination means that we have this is the most effective hazard control. Means that we will eliminate the physical hazard. They will physically removing it. Okay. Second, add-on safety design, like this signboard. Third is user instruction manual. There will be manual how to follow it. Ventilation means in Malay means pengudaraan. Next, design and safety device. Administrative. First is safety rules, disciplinary, policy, accountability, preventative maintenance, training, proficiency, knowledge, demonstration. Means that there is administrative should prepare the safety rules for the worker. Also have to to this MSc also have to provide the training for the workers, so that they know how to handle the hazard. Okay, last step is supervise. This is to ensure risk control measures are implemented, track progress, and also the feedback. Okay, part two is equal opportunity. Equal opportunity means that the policy of treating employees and others without discrimination, especially on the basis of their sex, race, or age. These are the reason why there are always discrimination. First, age, ethnic group, race, disability, gender, and religion. So I will pass to my friend.
Okay, we proceed to the next slide. How to overcome discrimination. First one is each individual should be treated fairly and with respect. But everybody wins when people are able to contribute their talents or skill for the benefit of our society. When we are respectful for each other, people from different group can live side by side without conflict. Okay, why equal opportunity matters? First point is benefits, which is mental and physical, and second point is better sense, which is quality and equality. And next, translate to better outcome in work and study. And last, improve communication and relationship. Harassment covers a wide range of behavior of an offensive nature. It is commonly understood as behavior intended to disturb or upset, and it is characteristically repetitive. There have two types: sexual harassment and bullying. Engineers and technology process. It's a term that is used to describe the overall process. First, invention, innovation, diffusion, and technology process. Technology process is invention and continuous process of improving technologies and its diffusion throughout industry or societies. In short, technological change is based on both better or more technologies. Original model of three phases of the process of technology change. Have three elements. First, invention, innovation, and diffusion. Okay, for invention and diffusion. Invention means the creation of something new or a breakthrough technology. For diffusion is the spread of technology through a society or industry. Next we
continue our presentation. Our presentation is going to end, so if I continue, I would like to talk one of the important of our presentation, that is innovation. Innovation is to create something new. So there are 5 parties of innovation: relative advantages, compatibility, and complexity, reliability, and observability. So this is the more explanation about the 5 parties of innovation. This is the aspects that is right to innovate today. The first one is time, information and communication, special eye, and material. So I would like to talk one by one in this 4 types. This is time. Time is the ability to see what is happening in a short time intervals, ability to count down to millisecond, and the 4th time is the short waiting time. Information and communication, variety of information and knowledge. The world, as we know, there is a network that we call internet that links information all of us. The communication is within reach of everyone, expand the flow of the knowledge. Special eye. This is like the cameras or microscope or ability to see what is naked eye cannot see. And this is the example, is like a thermal camera that is, you can see the hot objects. The last one is material. That is, as I think you see in your school, this is periodic table of elements, and one of these 4 types. So finally, all the aspects are the result of the power of the knowledge without the knowledge. This is one of the. So we would like to show you 2 of our videos that we collect. Thank you.
likely outcome. The severity will range